Last week, a patient asked me, Anna, are you a magician and a detective? And I stop and pause and ask her, what do you mean? For the first session, and she wasn't really believing that she actually could feel better. And as she was walking, I asked her, have you ever sprained your ankle? And she's like, I did. How do you know that? And I said, I can identify based on the way you're walking and your posture. And by the end of the session, when she was feeling so much better, she'd come back and ask the question, are you a magician and a detective? And the reason for that is because she was able to experience the magic feeling of like, I'm not really believing that I can feel better, and suddenly I am. And the detective part is it's kind of like getting the puzzle pieces together and investigating and be able to solve the puzzle. I hope you can find the cause of your problem and also experience magic on your healing journey.